gosh! Mikey, it's coming at us, bud. No, we gotta move, bud. We gotta move. We gotta move. We gotta move. Come on. Oh my! Yeah!
On March 31st, 2023, the Storm Prediction Center would issue the first high risk of the year for what would end up being the third highest ranking tornado outbreak of all time. By the end of the day, over 140 tornadoes would touch down across the US. We would get to witness 3 of them churn across the plains of eastern Iowa. The risk was characterized by a 30% chance for significant tornadoes, and by noon that day, the Storm Prediction Center had issued a particularly dangerous situation watch, highlighting the likelihood of several intense tornadoes in eastern Iowa and western Illinois. By 12:30, several supercells began to explode in northern Missouri, and by 3:30, the first tornado would be reaching the ground in eastern Iowa.
Inside, Dad. Yeah, closer to the right. Tornado on the ground! Big tornado! There it is! Yeah! Woo! Mikey! Yeah! We got one, boys! Yeah! Woo! Good job, Mikey! Woo! Yeah! It's coming at us, bub. Mikey, I think that one might be coming at us, bub. Oh, Mikey, that's coming at us, kid. I got video of this. Get your shit in the truck. Oh my gosh!
This is
Mikey, it's coming at us, bud. No, we gotta move, bud. We gotta move. We gotta move. We gotta move. Come on. Come on, get in. Get in.
down the road.
Which way? Straight?
Yep.
It's freaking huge! Mikey, videotape it. Videotape. Videotape.
Massive, Dad.
Videotape it.
Go.
Ooh. It's not taping.
Yeah, it is.
At this point, the tornado has grown to several hundred yards wide and is inflicting high-end EF2 damage south of Martinsburg, Iowa. We reposition to the east to capture its full wedge-out stage and eventual dissipation. There's not much more you could ask for when it comes to supercell and tornado dynamics. Check out the clearing RFD winds and the forward flank current feeding into this beast.
Holy moly! Oh my gosh! Buddy, good job, kid. Please miss them houses. Miss them houses. It's missing the houses, Mikey. So beautiful. That is gorgeous.
As we begin to head north, we pass by a school in session spared by less than a mile. A couple miles down the road, we would stop and let the tornado cross ahead of us. At this point, the tornado was reaching max width at 3/4 of a mile wide. As it reached max intensity, this tornado displayed characteristics particular to the most violent of tornadoes. Check out this huge horizontal vortex looking feature and brief satellite vortex.
Dude, that's not broke up, I don't think.
Let's go that way.
Huh?
Go that way.
Trying to see his tail, or like the trail. Yeah, that dude's like, we have no chasers up in Martinsburg, Surgeny area. Dude, that is still rolling, ain't it?
Yes.
Everybody's pulled over watching the cross. Oh my gosh.
Turn right here.
What was that? Oh my gosh, Mikey, how beautiful is that? I got a couple cuss words in the videos, but we'll still post on Facebook.
Unfortunately, we would run into a downed bridge, and because storm motions were so quick, it would put us severely out of position for the next tornadic cycle. As we desperately try to regain miles and miles of lost ground, several vantage points allow us to observe the newly strengthening EF4, which would be the strongest tornado of the day. Check out this dark stovepipe.
Right, you're gonna get a good one now. Get ready. Right there. There. Oh, that wedge is growing. It's growing. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Our last sight of the day before getting pummeled with hail and 100-mile-per-hour wind gusts would be the rope-out stage of the previous wedge tornado. By the end of our chase, we would witness 3 tornadoes, highlighted by the largest and strongest tornadoes of the outbreak. Thankfully, these tornadoes injured few and took no lives. Sadly, that can't be said for the rest of the outbreak. Our thoughts and prayers go out to those and those families impacted by the tornado outbreak of March 31st, 2023.